My name is Jing, CEO of Bukit Vista. I have a winter market update for December 2024. It's urgent and it's important because it will essentially guide the strategy through what I would call a season of turbulence in the next 3 to 6 months. At Bukit Vista, our data analysts and data scientists capture thousands of points of data and interview dozens of industry experts on a regular basis. The data comes to us every day, and we talk to developers, we talk to architects, we talk to people who are launching new properties. There's going to be changes in the marketplace, and we want to help our partners at Bukit Vista anticipate these changes. Previously, in 2013, I was the country manager of Airbnb, and for the past 10, 11 years, I've been working full-time on Bukit Vista, looking at all kinds of developments, all kinds of properties, and making sure that we as a company are delivering value as a property manager to make sure that you have an investment property, getting investment grade decisions and investment grade performance. That's very important for us, that your property stays profitable and makes revenue and outdoes the competition. Occupancy rates and prices have been dropping. First thing we've noticed across Bali, and anybody who's been driving around and looking at the construction will be able to tell you this, a lot of supply arriving in the next 3 to 6 months due to two things. One, long-term rentals are transiting into short-term rentals. Long-term rentals previously held by leases are now not able to find new tenants. Tenants were coming right after COVID ended. They're coming from Russia, they're digital nomads, and these two groups of people have left Bali in record amounts, about 80% drop based on our analysis from peak periods. Some owners have been coming to Bukit Vista, some to other particular property management companies to seek the short-term market space. This is adding new supply. Second is the introduction of a large number of units by property developers. These property developers were slightly a little bit behind after COVID had ended to introduce larger format, 5 up to 12 units of villas, 100 to 200 units of apartments, and their products are now arriving onto the market in record numbers. And so this is more supply coming into the market again. This is creating more competition in the market. Demand is rising, but not as quickly as new supply. What does this mean? This means temporarily we expect price turbulence. The pricing is going to get more competitive. We're going to see probably an overall drop, but here is the long-term strategy to preserve the value of your property and maintain excellent performance. You must think of essentially the first strategy is to stick to the mission outlined in the business plan issued to all property partners. The most important thing to track is not the average daily rate. The most important thing is the ranking and long-term performance of the property. Our competent and very well-informed revenue management team is looking after these particular decisions for you every day. Our operations team is maintaining 5-star reviews from as many guests as we can so that our properties are competitive with other properties. Our data indicates dates less popular because we examine what's happening across the marketplace from today to 1 year from now, and we can identify dates that have essentially less popularity than other dates. On those dates, we will be strategic and we will start offering discounts right away so that we have the longest period of time and availability. On the dates that we see are high value and high in demand, we will maintain or even raise the value of those dates. What that will do is an offset. Whatever we essentially subtract away from low season, low value dates, we will add to high season, high value dates, thus maintaining performance on your contract. Now, we're going to have to be doing this more frequently over the next 3 to 6 months because the competition will be increasing with new supply on. I have full confidence that the team here at Bukit Vista have been doing this for a decade, so they really understand what's going to happen. As your captain on this flight, you're going to experience a little bit of turbulence. So you're going to see prices go up and down. We don't want you to panic. We'll commit to the contract value. We'll navigate your property through the turbulence and hopefully renew our contract at the end of this particularly difficult period. We've navigated difficult periods in Bali before in the past. We've got through very difficult situations with many years, a decade of experience. So we can navigate through this particular patch. Setting out this holiday message that essentially we are looking at a difference in this holiday season. There's never been more properties and options in Bali. This is Jing again, coming to you from California. If you do get this message and you would like to meet our team, we host dinners regularly every Tuesdays and Thursdays. My wife and co-founder, our CTO, will be there. Hopefully this message reaches you well and you understand more about our strategy to manage your property through difficult times ahead. Okay, signing off from California. This is Jing with Bukit Vista.